Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, to make it as fun as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we're gonna be talking about the one inch token with the $30 US, so make sure to stay tuned about that if you're interested in that. But yeah, I think that if you click on this video, like, you can already know what are we talking about, so let's just get into it. Okay, so uh, this is what I'm looking at the moment about the 1 inch token. Okay, like, if you just go to the higher time frames, you can see that we have been pushing to the downside ever since May. Yeah, after like 3rd from then May, we have been pushing to the downside, having the bearish market. But like, let's just see the moving average. Okay, what the moving average will tell me. And the 200 moving average does not show up actually on the daily chart, but it is what it is. If we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we are just below that, and that will tell me that we are in a downtrend. But we are at some like basic key levels, and we have been making some higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour chart. But it is what it is. We're going to be watching more in depth maybe tomorrow or something like that. But look, we are at that level right here at the moment that it's breakable, and you actually did break that. We just do this. No, actually, let me just click this twice so I can put my coordinates in, expand the actual thing, make just 500 or 1k. And if you did not know about that, now we already know. We'll trade view how to do some things. But yeah, we are at the chart, and let me just turn the borders off for the actual candles, and let's just keep on moving. So I had a prediction right here, and I think that this is how it will keep moving to the downside. But we will see. Okay, we just need to wait, and the future will tell everything. I think that again we are going to be pushing it here, touch this level, and then just break through the structure and just have a trend reversal and then push to the upside. What we will see what will be happening with that. Okay, but guys, just keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just doing my best to give you the best predictions and best analysis, and hopefully in the future you make profits, and I will be pretty happy with that, and that's my goal. And also to expand my future, and so on and so on, to expand my things that I'm trying to learn every single day while learning these charts and all the good stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in stocks, cryptos, and how to make money in general, just subscribe, and this will be basically for today. So peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.